Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share with you my St. Patrick's Day nail art tutorial. It is really simple to do, so if you are curious to see how I made this, please keep on watching. So I started off with clean nails and applied my base coat on forehand. Then I'm going in with 2 layers of a light green color because you know St. Patrick's Day, it's all about green and wearing green so you won't get pinched. Here in Holland we actually don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but I really do like the holiday, like the whole thought and vibe about it, so I just wanted to make a nail art tutorial anyway. Then I'm going to use some black like stamping polish from Born Pretty store and a striping nail art brush, like a shorter striping brush. And I'm going to make some kind of like pattern, like a tartan pattern. So I am adding 2 black vertical lines, and I'm going to add 2 horizontal lines as well. And while applying that polish like in a horizontal line, you might want to like turn your finger a little bit to make it a little bit more easy to make a straight line. And just take your time with this, like there's no pressure. There's still a little time to make your manicure perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And we are going to apply this tartan like pattern to the pinky and the pointer finger. Then with some gold polish, this is one by Essence. I really love them because they're super opaque, so you need only a little bit, and I'm using another nail art brush for this to not contaminate it with the black we used before, and we're going right next to those black lines and overlapping them a little bit. And it doesn't have to be super precise because we will be adding some gold glitter to this nail polish as well. And you can add as much or as little gold stripes as you'd like. I just added one like separately from the black lines to make it a more cohesive pattern. And just do the same thing for the pinky nail as well. I did have a little bit trouble making the lines kind of thin on the pinky nail. I don't know if that was because I had too much polish on my brush or that my pinky nail is just really small and really narrow. My nails have a really strong C curve, so that's why my pinky nail is really narrow. Then I'm going to apply some gold studs to the middle fingernail with just some regular top coat. I'm adhering those and just applying those with a dotting tool. Then I actually wanted to show you how I clean my brush, so I get a little bit of nail polish remover. This is an acetone free one, and I just swirl my brush around in that and just clean it off with some tissue paper. And you want to do this until your brush is completely clean. Then I'm going to make a glitter nail polish, and I'm just applying some regular top coat to my plate and just dunking in a ton of glitters. I actually dunked out way too much, and I did put the other glitter, like the glitter I applied, too much, or like bunked in that too much. I just put that back into the little container because wasting glitter is just, ooh, I can't do that, people. Like, I can't. And I'm just going to apply that glitter to the gold nail polish we applied to the little tartan pattern. And if you want to make it a little bit less thick, just add a little bit more of that top coat. And do remember that if you use a quick drying top coat, you want to work quick with the like on the nails as well. Because if you wait too long, the polish will become really thick and clumpy and you won't be able to work with it that easily. And of course, again, just add as much glitter as you like. Then it is time for the ring finger and the thumb, and I'm just applying a decent amount of top coat first because we're going to like fully bedazzle this one with green glitter, and I'm just scooping that onto my nails with a brush and rubbing that onto the nail. I'm rubbing with the brush to make sure the glitters are flat and they won't scratch later on. Like when you would go across your face with your fingernails, you don't want to scratch your skin, so make sure the glitters are all flat down. And just pat it down also on the edges. And we're going to do the same thing with the thumb as well, just a little bit of top coat and just dunk on that glitter. You could also make like a green gradient effect with glitter if you have different types or like different tones of green. So you can start with a dark, then a medium and a lighter green, or you could just do it like me and just go with one full colored glitter. And I also wanted to share with you how I clean up afterwards. So all the glitter that's in the cap, I will throw that back into the little container or in the little pot. All that's left on the like desk or the towel I'm using to do my nails on, I just scoop most of it back into the container, but just rub it off with some rubbing alcohol or just some nail polish remover to make it all clean again. Then to make this design last even like after St. Patrick's Day, make sure you apply a good amount of top coat and don't forget to cap off the edges as well. I also chose to add another layer of top coat to the glitter polish. That's up to you if you want to do that. I just want to make sure they're all flat completely and not going to scratch me later on, so I just add a good amount of top coat. And that was actually the entire design. As I said, we don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day here in Holland, but I really do like the holiday. So if you do celebrate, have fun, be safe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.